Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly reset your Apple Watch. This is the Series 7. However, this should work also for previous Apple Watch models as well. So you want to do this if maybe your Apple Watch is frozen, like it's stuck on a certain screen. So what you want to do is you want to press and hold the crown and the power lock button at the same time. You're going to hold them for a few seconds until the screen completely turns black. Once it does, you can let go and the Apple Watch will automatically turn on again. As you can see, Apple logo showing, so it's booting back on. So this is a quick restart to unfreeze your Apple Watch, also known as a reboot or a soft reset. So that's pretty much it. Super simple. Let me know in the comments down below if this helps you out. And if it does, go ahead and smash that like button, as it really helps me with the channel and to get this video out to help more people. And that's it for this video. That is how you do a quick restart or a forced restart on your Apple Watch Series 7. Let's give it a few more seconds for it to completely power on, as you can see. And there you go. It completely powered on. It has reboot. And if yours was on a frozen screen, it shouldn't be frozen anymore. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, peace.